solve for number 15. So we have arc sine x over y plus arc cosine y over x is equals to 1. So we'll find the dy over dx. So the derivative, we know that derivative of arc sine is just equals to 1 all over square root of 1 minus u squared du over dx. So our u here is just equals to x over y. And for arc cosine is just equals to negative 1 all over square root of 1 minus u squared du over dx. So our u here is just equals to y all over x. So let's differentiate this. So 1 all over square root of 1 minus x over y squared. So d over dx is just equals to y multiplied by 1. Derivative of x is just equals to 1 minus xy prime. So we have xy prime all over y squared plus our cosine. So we have negative. So negative 1 all over square root of 1 minus u squared is just equals to y over x squared. So d over dx is just equals to x y prime minus y times 1 all over x squared. All over x squared is just equals to the derivative of 1 is just equals to 0. So let's simplify this further. So we have 1 all over square root of 1 minus x over y squared. So multiply by 1. So we have, so we'll just bracket 1 all over y minus xy prime all over y squared minus 1 all over square root of 1 minus y all over x squared multiply by y prime all over x minus y all over x squared is equals to 0. So we will combine first this term. So we have 1 all over. So just distribute. So we have 1 all over y multiplied by square root of 1 minus x over y squared minus x y prime all over y squared multiplied by square root of 1 minus x over y squared. So minus y prime all over x multiplied by square root of 1 minus y over x squared plus, so y all over x squared multiplied by square root of 1 minus y over x squared is equals to 0. So let's combine the y prime. So we have y prime. So negative y prime. So bracket. So we have x all over y squared square root of 1 minus x over y squared plus 1 all over x multiplied by square root of 1 square root of 1 minus y all over x squared. So equals to negative. So we have negative 1 all over y square root of 1 minus x over y squared plus y all over x squared square root of 1 minus y all over x squared. So we'll cancel both negative signs. So the negative signs will be cancelled. So let's simplify further. So we have y prime. So we'll combine these two. So y squared square root of 1 minus x over y squared multiplied by a square root of, so x So multiply by x square root of 1 minus y all over x squared. So we have just copy x squared. So x squared multiplied by the square root of 1 minus y all over x squared plus, just copy the first term. So we have y squared multiplied by square root of 1 minus x over y squared is equals to, so just copy. So let's combine these two terms. So we have y, so y square root of 1 minus x over y squared multiplied by x squared square root of 1 minus y all over x squared. So we will copy the x squared. So x squared multiplied by square root of 1 minus y over x squared plus, just copy the second term. We have y squared multiplied by the square root of 1 minus x over y squared. So what we will do next is to cancel. So we will so let's y squared. So positive, negative. So negative, positive. So 1. So y prime positive. So let's review first. So we have, so it's checked. So we have, so we'll simplify further. So we have y prime. So to simplify this one, we will just copy y prime. So we have just copy the second term first. So we have x squared multiplied by the square root of 1 minus y all over x squared plus y squared square root of 1 minus x over y squared all over y multiplied by square root of 1 minus x over y squared multiplied by x squared square root of 1 minus y all over x squared. So to simplify this one, we will multiply the reciprocal of this term right here in the inside the bracket. So we have y squared multiplied by square root of 1 minus x over y squared multiplied by x square root of 1 minus y all over x squared. So all over, so just copy the numerator, x squared all over 1 minus y over x squared plus y squared square root of 1 minus x over y squared, like that. So we have this term. So we have this term and this term. So this term and this term will be cancelled. This term will be cancelled and this term will be cancelled because it is 1, just 1. And then this term, so we will this term, this multiplication, this term and this term will be cancelled. this term and this term also can be cancelled. So let's have this simplification. So y prime is equals to y squared divided y is just equals to y. So y multiply by, so x over x squared is just equals to x. So the final answer will be y over x. So y prime is just equals to y over x. So this will be now our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. So it's a long process. So we have y prime is equals to y over x. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to another number.